From the minute we landed in this town, we have been chased around, blocked from talking to people where we wanted to talk to people using microphones. They know that the concerns Kenyans have, and every single Kenyan is crying because of the high cost of living. We want to thank the people of Meru because they have received us at every center we were able to stop. We will be back, and we will be back in a big way. And even now we are not finished. But it is good to note that this officer in charge of this team that you are seeing behind here, that guy in there, he is the one who gave instructions for the tear gas canister to be thrown at us. And the canister that has hit MUNYA, Mpaka, he is bleeding. You can see he is bleeding behind the ear here. It is him who ordered for those tear gases to be thrown to us. And finally, those leaders from Mount Kenya who are still waiting to see what is happening, mjue watu hamko na wao. Kama wewe unataka kujua pali watu wako, tokesea maandamano, usaidie wa Kenya. Kwanza wale walipitisha hii bili kule bunge, hao ndio wako na shida. We want them out here also to tell Kenyans why they allowed this high cost of living.